Hi sir, I'm going to present the assignment 2 for the subject real-time programming. For this assignment, I created 4 classes, which are main panel, Malaysia case data, China case data, and Indonesia case data. First, we look at the classes of Malaysia case data. For the first step, I'm created a string array called Malaysia case ARR, and then I'm store following information into this array and save this array into a file called Malaysia case file. For the China case data classes and Indonesia case data classes, it follows the same procedure. And then we move to the classes of main panel. So first of all, I'm created an array called columns that used to store the columns title of the JTable, which are country, daughter case, new case, daughter date, and so on. For the line 13 is a declaration of the JTable. For the line 14 to 16 is used to declare file called Malaysia case file, Indonesia case file, and China case file. Those file is used to store the coronavirus case that happened in those 3 countries. So we move to the method of mainframe. So in the method of mainframe, first is a declaration for the JTable, and then for the line 51 is for the JFrame, and the title of the JFrame is coronavirus at 8 June 2020, and then line 53 is used to set the bounds of the columns table, and for line 55 to 62 is for the GUI. For this assignment, I created 3 threads, which are thread 1, thread 2, and thread 3. It should run the thread 1 first, and then thread 2, and the last is thread 3. And thread 1 is used to read or scan the data inside the Malaysia case file and display it on the JTable. First, I'm declare a scanner to scan the data inside the Malaysia case file, and then the data will store into an array called show Malaysia case array after the scanning process, and then we'll display it on the JTable by line 77. Thread 2 and thread 3 is also run the same procedure as the thread 1, but the difference is thread 2 is responsible for displaying the Indonesia cases, while the thread 3 is displaying the China cases. So the overall operation is, first we run the method of mainframe, which show the GUI, and then create 3 files, which are Malaysia case file, Indonesia case file, and China case file, that used to store the data of the coronavirus cases that from the different 3 countries, and then implement the classes method that used to store the data into a file, and lastly run the 3 threads that used to scan the data from the file and display it on the JTable.